Okay, I'm like 2 minutes into my Tuesday run, and life is smiling at me because today, or because this week is race week, I'm going to do Olympic distance race. Not an official one, but at least myself. Yeah, back on the grind, motherfuckers. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 minute pickup. I gotta say, my running game is on point. Razor sharp. I'm molding this run. Damn, bro. Low heart rate, fast pace, positive vibes. What else could you ask for? Damn. Damn. New asphalt. This is how I describe my Ironman training. Feel lazy and don't want to work out. Go still work out and feel good afterwards. Simple as that. Shit. Haha! I wish for bad weather. I wish for cold water. I wish that the run is hard. Haha! Woo! All right, 1 hour. Gonna end here this run and speed walk home for a nice recovery walk. Was a great run. Now we're talking. I don't know if you can see the rain in the camera, but it's pretty good. This is honestly like a shower. Oh man. I'm thirsty. 2 things you should never care about: summer rain, and leave the another one in comments, please. This road is like smoking. All right, finally home. That was it for today's training, and make sure you show up soaking wet from getting after it.
The next day.
Okay, so it's like 5 p.m. I got out of work and I started my workout of the day, which is 45 minutes of biking with quick change to 30 minutes of running. However, I wasn't feeling like working out today, so I tricked my mind to this by saying myself that I get to swim in the lake if I go. So I had nothing else to do, therefore it worked, and now I'm biking to the lake to swim. Biking into the lake to swim, and yeah, here we go. Got my swimming shorts, sandals. Okay, finally got here. 20 minutes. 21 to 6.7. Alright, found this place. Oh, this is refreshing. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I forgot I left these in my pocket when I went swimming. Hope they still work. And running. Boom! Boom shakalaka!
The next day.
Alright, so Thursday, time for a bike workout. I mixed some electrolytes here. Damn, gonna crush this workout. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't filmed too much because I'm so dialed in. Okay, 58 minutes, 24 kilometers. It was a great one, great zone to bike. I gotta say my legs are sore, but they're just good. Mikä tässä? Tule. Rupert, mikä tässä? Hyvä paikka.
The next day.
Okay, we're gonna take it easy now.
Oikeat kortit käsistä. Turha siinä mussuta, tussa peli kussuka.
back, motherfuckers! I'm 10 miles into my run! And when all around you is crumbling, that's when you know who the fuck you really are. Stay hard! Alright, had a nice swim to end the run.
The next day.
Alright, Saturday noon, I'm out here doing Olympic distance triathlon. Just finished swimming part. Now biking. Feeling really good. Hell yes. I'm gonna destroy this. Woo! Alright, I'm like 3 kilometers into my run. Feeling quite good. Alright, almost half. And turn around. LFG baby. Let's fucking go! Okay, I'm pushing so hard that I'm starting to thinking that somebody's got to give. And it might be me. Keep hammering. 600 meters left. There you go. 1 hour, 1 minute, 10 kilometers. Was a good Olympic one.